Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to use the Nano text editor to create files. So let's open the terminal, start typing ls. As you can see, I'm in the root folder, cd documents, ls. There's nothing in here, so we're going to create a directory called nano test and cd nano test ls. Great. So you open the Nano editor, just type Nano or Pico, same thing, just type Nano, and you can write the file name right here, for example, or you can just edit and then save it. Well, I'm just going to create it. So first of all, I'm going to make an HTML file. Let's see how that works. It will be like login.html, just a basic login script. Doc type HTML, right, wait, head right here, head, body, this won't even be a login page, that might take a while, so I'm just h1 hello. No, wait, I was going to write cons, but never mind. Hello, people. I guess that works. So, Control X to exit, yes to save, enter for the file name, and Firefox login.html to open. Now, let's wait for that. Boom. Hello, people. Sup, mate. Close that. Fuck off. Right. Remove that motherfucker. So we can do the same with Python. For example, nano test.py def print hello world. Just call that function. We didn't ever have to write a function, but yeah, whatever. Print with that, right? So just call it print and exit and write that. Python test.py works perfectly. We can do the same with C++ test.cpp. Include, the fuck am I doing? IS stream, god damn it. CL hello, let's make that look pretty. Hello world. Alright, that works. std inline, but you can actually run this like cpp test.cpp. it won't run. You can dot / you can't do that either, so you have to compile it first. You go C++, what the fuck, it's a fucking G++. What goes next? Like the file name test.cpp -o, which stands for output, and the name of the file, which is going to be hi, I guess. Right, perfect. Now ls, as you can see, we also have an executable called hi, which is based off the code of test.cpp. Now we run that. Hi, hello world, sup mate, works perfectly.